I also thought I might make a quick video on how to work with the gallery plugin since obviously that will be a significant part of your website. It is a new plugin to me, so I might stumble through this video just a little bit, but that's, I think, okay. So again, in your dashboard, when you go down to the left side, you'll see gallery with the green icon and this drop-down menu where you can add gallery, you can manage them, you can manage your albums, you can tag various images if you would like to start you kind of collecting them into various categories. So for instance, I'm just going to click Overview, which tells us we have 65 images currently loaded, 3 different galleries for your series, and 1 album, which is which the galleries are housed in. So we can manage galleries or we can add them. So say you wanted to, as we did before, this is managing the galleries. You can go in here, you can add a description, you can add a tag, you can decide to exclude it, you can edit the thumb that shows up, you can delete it. You have all those different options. You can rename them. And I believe we've also reordered them before. I believe that's under Sort Gallery. And here is where we could change the order by dragging them, but I'm not going to do that because we put them in the order that we wanted. But if you did drag them, you would just need to be sure to update sort order. Let's say you wanted to add a new gallery for your new series or a work in progress. You would go back over to the left side, down to where it says gallery, add gallery images, and then you could create a new one, title it whatever you like. You may add multiple images, and now you can see the silly thing saved to my desktop. And then you would click Start Upload. So I'll just go ahead and walk us through that really quickly and grab a few images of myself with my classes. I would start that upload. And interestingly enough, it didn't grab that third one. I'm not sure why, but let's go look at it. Manage galleries. There's my sample. I'm just going to rename them and save those changes. I'm going to sort that gallery of 2 pictures. I want them like that. So there you go. I mean, that's pretty easy. And I would also like to be sure to delete this. So I'm back to my gallery, manage, and I will select and delete. You have to apply action, like so. The other thing is you can see gallery is also here at the top. So you can either do it from the left-hand side where all your tools are, or they've added it here. The other thing, I believe it shows up on pages. Ah, yeah, there's an icon, so you could attach a gallery to this page just by using that icon again, and it's still here and it's still down there. We actually were editing on the website, not through the dashboard, so I took us to your website, took us into remainders, and at the top you can see it says edit page. I selected that image because that image takes us directly to the gallery pop-up menu where you can change how the image looks on the web page. So right now we have the basic thumbnails that they can roll over, or you could have a slideshow going. They just have all these different options that you maybe can play with. Here again, you could create a new gallery and upload all your files. You could select a gallery and arrange it however you like. Create a larger album, manage tags. So this is all the same thing, just within the actual page that already has a gallery attached to it. And then you want to be sure you update and save your changes. And then I'm taking us to view page just to make sure I haven't altered anything while demonstrating to you. But that is how your gallery looks at the moment with the pop-out light box, I believe. Yep. And then they should be able to scroll through here without having to go back in. So again, the gallery is a plugin that we kind of looked at with Google Fonts in the contact form previously. So if you want to look around for different gallery plugins, I'm sure there are other options, but this one seems to be pretty intuitive and readily accessible, both at the top, on the bottom left, and within various pages and posts. So I hope you find that helpful.